If you're looking for a St. Patrick's Day craft, then you have come to the right channel. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. Candles are the best way to make any evening more festive. So if you want your St. Patrick's Day to be celebrated with your friends and family, so here I will be showing you how to make DIY St. Patrick's Day light. It's very easy and quick to make this craft. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications so whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give thumbs up for this video. So let's get started. For this you will need take few strips of green paper, take tea light candle and take one strip, apply white glue. Now slowly wrap it around the candle very carefully. This way. Now take another green strip, fold it into half. Now on the edge of the strip, apply glue and paste another edge to form this heart shape. This way. Looks beautiful. Now repeat with the second strip. In the same way, apply glue and paste it this way. Now repeat with the last one, the third one, in the same way. Yeah, it's done. So now you have 3 hearts ready. Now time to assemble. Take one heart, apply glue and paste another heart and press it. Now apply again glue and repeat with another heart. This way. It will look this way. Now it's time to attach to the candle. Apply glue and attach it as shown. Press it for a while. Yeah. So your St. Patrick candle is ready. It's really easy and inexpensive piece to make your own DIY. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or any request for any specific craft, feel free to leave a comment below. If you make one, please share with me on any of my social media and please don't forget to like, share. And thank you so much for supporting and growing this channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell button for notification. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.